Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. In this episode, we cover Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at NomadFest 2018. Unfortunately, it rained all day Thursday, which turned it into Mudfest 2018. But all was good as we had a great time meeting some of our subscribers, some of our favorite YouTubers, and went to the premiere of the RV Nomad movie. So come along for the ride as Down the Road We Go. As you can see, there was a lot to see and a lot to do on Friday morning after it rained all day Thursday and most of Thursday night. So this is just some of the fun at Mudfest. So we'll carry on from here.
Yes, I'm out as well. Okay, we're ready. We got flag? Yeah, we got flag.
It's gonna be more than 2 or 3 people watching.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah.
You're looking for
After watching the mud races, we went on down to downtown Wellington to the Ritz Theater for some conferences all day. Okay, we're here at Nomad Fest in the Ritz Theater. This is going to be the first seminar on Saturday of many more, and then the movies tonight in this theater here.
I want to share with you the first 3 slides coming up here are an example of our not so good videos. They should autoplay, Eric.
Thanks for watching the video montage of Snyder Hill BLM land. We've been here for a week, and we liked it pretty good so far. What do you think about it, Olivia?
Yeah, it's really nice to be so close to Tucson and have access.
Last night, and I think I pulled 6 people out of the mud today with the truck. It was supposed to be nice and clean for showing off at the Ritz tomorrow. I'm not going to have a chance to wash it. It's going to be a dirty, muddy truck tomorrow morning, but that's all right. That's how it's supposed to be, right? Hey, let's give away something else. Stacy?
It was a lot of fun meeting Nathan and Marissa of Less Junk and More Journey. And we also got to meet Olivia from Driving and Vibing. Saturday, one more day after today, and I do not see this drying up enough to get us out of here. This is what it looks like in front of our rig. The guy next door yesterday had idle, rolled it up, and it just sunk. And you try to pull it back, nope, 4-wheel drive, sunk to the hubs almost. I'm not real sure we're getting out of here Monday unless there's a big line of John Deeres with chains out there, so, or maybe Kubotas. But people keep driving down through here yesterday, which was rutting it up the worst. But it is what it is. I think what we're going to do, it seems drier in the back. I think what we're going to do is wait for them to leave and then back up. If they don't sink and get stuck, then I'll back up into there and try and get out of there. But as you can see, somebody just drove by back there. It's too muddy to be driving, but I guess it is what it is. So we'll find out Monday and let you all know. And on Saturday night, everyone gathered at the Ritz Theater in downtown Wellington for the premiere of the RV Nomads movie. Mark and Julie of RV Love stopped for some pictures, and finally we all went in for the start of the movie. All I can say about the movie is it was just fantastic. Great movie, great story. Don't miss giving it a look. It should be out on Amazon Prime sometime this winter and on the Epic Nomads app.
Any volunteers for Nomad Fest?
Okay, it's Sunday morning at Nomad Fest, Wellington, Texas. We went down the road here to see if we could watch a hot air balloon fly, but unfortunately the winds have picked up over 100 feet up and would have sent them someplace they didn't want to go, so they canceled that this morning, but that's okay. So we're out here kind of early and we're looking at Nomad Fest. Look at that sunrise. It's going to be a gorgeous day. It's a little drier to back. Somebody got stuck last night trying to get out, so we're going to keep our fingers crossed and hopefully make it. But anyway, thought we'd give you a glimpse of what it looks like in the morning. What a sunrise. My gosh. It's beautiful here in Texas. We were talking to people in town the other day. I think it was yesterday, and the lady said they hadn't had any rain for months until we showed up. RV life. That's the way it is. One of the best parts of Nomad Fest was meeting some great RVers, including some of our subscribers. This is Jeannie and Jerry, and their channel is Repurposed Dreams. We really enjoyed meeting and hanging out with them, and they have a great story of adversity and recovery. So check them out. I put their social media addresses in the comments below. How do you like Nomad Fest so far?
We love it. We are having such a blast, and we're meeting all of our YouTube heroes. We're learning a lot. The movie, of course, was amazing, and I thought that they really nailed it in terms of why we do what we do.
Oh, they did, didn't they? It was great. And what was your name and your channel?
Oh, I'm Jeannie.
I'm Jerry.
And we're Repurposed Dreams.
Cool. Pardon me?
With one D.
With one D, okay. We're glad you're here. Glad you're having a great time. We are too. And we love that you're one of our subscribers. So keep watching.
We enjoy your videos. We love them.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. In our next episode, with heavy hearts, we leave Nomad Fest and head home. But we met up with some old friends and made some new friends and really had a great time. We really think this was the best rally we have ever gone to. So who's up for Nomad Fest 2019? We will be there. Will you?